Get a fast credit decision? Perfect credit not needed. What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like button as well as smash the subscribe button. As a reminder, this is not financial advice. This is for informational purposes only. So in today's video, we have a special review. Now, one of the most common questions I get from a lot of subscribers is, how do I get a business credit card if I don't have a business? Better yet, how can I get a business credit card if I have very poor credit? Because as a lot of you guys know, most business credit cards do require what's called a personal guarantee. Therefore, you need to have good personal credit. That's why in today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you a business credit card that you can get even if you don't have an LLC and even if you have subprime or poor credit. So in today's video, we're going to be going over Erniva Business. Your card should work as hard as your business. Now, this is a credit card for the business where you can get a fast credit decision, rewards on purchases, credit for your business, and perfect credit is not needed. So this is specifically geared towards the sole proprietor, the gig worker, the contractors, and more who have less than perfect credit. So this is, in a sense, kind of like a subprime business credit card. And the Erniva MasterCard is issued by the Bank of Missouri and serviced by Genesis FC Card Services, Inc. Now, some of the benefits of Erniva. So this is credit that grows with you. You could get access to credit for your business. You can also get 1.5% cash back. And again, perfect credit is not needed. So you don't have to have a very high FICO score to get approved for this card. Now, some frequently asked questions: who can apply for the Erniva MasterCard? So Erniva welcomes everyone interested in establishing or rebuilding their credit. You should consider that the Erniva MasterCard is designed to support the needs of the sole proprietor business, like those who work in gig economy, contracting, independent trades, arts, and many more. You must be at least 18 years old and have a valid social security number, a United States physical address, and applying within the United States. You can only have one Erniva card at a time. You also cannot have previously charged off due to delinquency with an Erniva MasterCard, and you must meet additional credit qualification criteria, including a review of your income and your debt and identity verification requirements. Also, it's important to note that approval is not guaranteed. Now, what if you have limited credit, bad credit, or no credit? So this is perfect for those with limited credit, bad credit, or no credit established at all. So when you're applying for the Erniva card, you'll get a credit limit between $300 all the way up to $1,500. And you can get a credit limit increase by making your minimum payment on time each month for the first 6 months after activating the card. Unlimited 1.5% cashback rewards earned on every purchase. And this does report to all 3 credit bureaus. All right, so in terms of the APR for purchases, it's 29.9% as well as 29.9% for cash advances. There is a $35 annual fee, and this is a $35 annual fee that you have to pay every year. And there's also a 5% cash advance fee. All right, so a couple takeaways. So the Erniva MasterCard is really going to be designed for the subprime borrower. Maybe you're a gig worker, maybe you're a self-employed contractor, 1099. And so this is really going to be for the sole proprietor. Now, if you have an actual business, an LLC, an S Corp, C Corp, partnership, whatever the case is, then you're probably better suited for other types of credit cards. And another thing I wanted to point out is the fact that this does report on personal credit. So that's probably one of the major downsides of this card, is that it will report on your personal credit. So if you're looking for a true business credit card, this probably is not it, because again, you're personally guaranteeing it and it's showing up on your personal credit report. So that defeats a lot of the things that you look for when you're trying to get a business credit card, because you don't want that utilization reporting on your personal credit. Now, the limits only go from a minimum of $300 all the way up to $1,500, but you can get credit limit increases after your first 6 months of on-time payments. Now, again, I think this might be an option for those with very low credit score. So let's say if your credit score is below, let's say like a 650, then this might be an option for you if you can't get approved for any other types of business credit cards. Their business model is specifically designed for those with less than perfect credit. So if you have a 750 or 800, you should not not be applying for this particular credit card. This is not for you. And again, you do not need to have a registered business in order to apply for this credit card. Anyways, that's all for today's video. Let me know your comments and questions right down below. And until next time, take it easy and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.